until it rests securely against you. If you need assistance, please notify a station attendant now. Welcome back. To release your lap bar, press down. It should pop up. Please exit to the right and all the way out. Have a great day here. Please watch your step as you board the train. Please sit in an upright position and rest your head against the headrest. Pull your restraint down until it rests securely against you. If you need assistance, please notify a station attendant now. While riding the roller coaster, please keep your arms and legs inside the train at all times. Do not stand up or extend your arms above your head. Thank you and enjoy your ride.